Not just that play in general. The Phillies have had a really bad year defensively. And
is that number one? Andrew Vaughn, I told you guys. This would be the night. Andrew Vaughn picks up his first big league home run. Had that feeling in my bad knee, guys.
Turn the lights on at least. See the kid run around the bases. There we go. He spit on the changeup the pitch before. It looked like he was seeing the ball really well, and then he got something a little up, hammered it.
A two-run shot, White Sox doubling up the Twins. He's 23 years old, third overall pick, top bat, coming out in the 2019 draft. He was the 12th overall prospect according to MLB.com. He is as polished of a college player in terms of offensive skills as we've seen, and that right there was his first big league home run.